Hello, today I'm going to show you how to see if someone screenshot your Instagram story. Let's start. Open up the Instagram. Click on your story. Select any photo or video to add it to the story. Then upload the photo to your story. Click on your profile icon. To switch the account, click to open another account. Tap to view your story from this account. Take a screenshot of your story. Then switch back to your profile from where you uploaded the story. Go into notifications to see if you get notified of screenshots. Then open your story. Click to see who viewed your story. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.